Learn how to create a trendy, minimal pre-beaded chain necklace with a clean, modern finish. This beginner-friendly tutorial guides you step-by-step through measuring, cutting, and adding a lobster clasp. For this project, you will need a delicate pre-beaded chain with 2 mm beads and a thin, lightweight chain designed to enhance and complement a clean, minimalist jewelry aesthetic. We will need 0.5 x 3 mm gold jump rings to properly accommodate the delicate chain links, ensuring secure connections while maintaining a clean, refined, and minimalist jewelry design. Materials include 2 2 mm jump rings and 1 lobster clasp for secure, clean connections in minimalist jewelry designs projects. Of course, don't forget needle nose pliers and a ruler, essential tools for accurate measurements and secure handling of delicate jewelry components. Search online jewelry making stores for pre-beaded chains, comparing bead sizes, chain thickness, finishes, and quality to suit minimalist necklace projects perfectly. Using a ruler, measure 16 inches of pre-beaded chain. This length creates a perfectly balanced, minimal, and trendy necklace ideal for everyday wear and stylish layering. When working with a delicate chain, it's important to use sharp plier cutters to achieve a clean, precise cut without damaging the fine links or distorting the minimalist design. Cut the pre-beaded chain carefully next to the bead loop. We will use the bead loop to attach the jump ring securely, ensuring a neat connection and professional finish for the minimalist necklace. Always lay your chain flat on the work surface to prevent twisting and tangling. Grab your needle nose pliers and carefully twist the jump ring open, using a gentle motion, keeping its round shape intact while working with delicate, minimalist jewelry components. Carefully insert the jump ring into the end link of the first chain. Since you're working with tiny pieces, focus closely, keep a steady grip with your pliers, and avoid bending or twisting the delicate links. Using needle nose pliers, carefully close the jump ring, making sure it is fully aligned and securely shut with no visible gaps. Repeat the same process. Use needle nose pliers to gently open the jump ring without deforming it, then insert it into the end link of the other pre-beaded chain carefully, precisely. With needle nose pliers, close the jump ring tightly, ensuring the ends meet perfectly with no gaps for a secure, professional finish. Check both ends of the necklace to ensure all jump rings are fully closed, secure, and neatly aligned for a professional finish. Use needle nose pliers to gently open the jump ring without damaging its shape. The size of this jump ring should be 2 mm. Insert the open jump ring into the closed jump ring at the pre-beaded chain end, then through the lobster clasp loop, align everything evenly, and close securely with steady pressure. Close the jump ring tightly with pliers, making sure the ends meet securely and there are no gaps in the connection. Open the last jump ring for this project. Insert it into the closed jump ring on the other pre-beaded chain end. With needle nose pliers, close the jump ring tightly, ensuring the ends meet perfectly with no gaps for a secure, professional finish. The final jump ring used in this project measures approximately 2 mm. Check carefully for any gaps and tighten all connections using needle nose pliers for a secure, professional finish. The 2 mm jump ring is used as the necklace closure, providing a secure, subtle, and minimalist connection point. Your pre-beaded chain minimalist necklace is finished and ready to wear, perfect for everyday styling, layering, or gifting. Now move on to the next project, creating a minimalist bracelet using the same delicate pre-beaded chain for a cohesive jewelry set. Place the pre-beaded chain around your wrist and measure carefully. A standard bracelet length is approximately 7 inches, offering a comfortable, minimal, and stylish fit for everyday wear. Make sure the chains are not tangled, so the layered necklace sits smoothly and evenly. Using needle nose pliers, gently open the small jump ring and insert it into the end loop of the pre-beaded chain, keeping the connection neat, aligned, and secure. Gently close the jump ring completely, ensuring there is no gap, for a secure, smooth, and professional-looking jewelry finish. Lay your chain flat on the work surface to keep it straight, aligned, and easy to assemble without twisting or tangling. Let's work on the other side of the bracelet by opening a jump ring, inserting it into the end of the bracelet chain, aligning it neatly, and closing it securely for balance. We will follow the same step-by-step process for this bracelet as used for the necklace, ensuring consistent techniques, secure connections, and a clean, minimalist finish throughout the design. Open the 2mm jump ring using pliers, then insert it into the closed jump ring previously attached to the pre-beaded chain, keeping the connection neat, aligned, and secure. Attach the lobster clasp to the jump ring and close it tightly, ensuring a secure, durable, and professional finish for the bracelet. Open the final 2mm jump ring, insert it into the closed jump ring attached to the pre-beaded chain bracelet, align carefully, then close it securely for a clean finish. This jump ring will serve as the closure for the lobster clasp, providing a secure, minimal connection that completes the bracelet while maintaining a clean, balanced, and professional jewelry finish. Your beautiful minimalist bracelet is ready, perfectly finished, comfortable to wear, and ideal for everyday styling or gifting. Minimalist jewelry is more popular than ever. Learn jewelry making now to create beautiful personal pieces, meaningful handmade gifts, or stylish designs to sell and grow your creative jewelry business with confidence. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more easy, stylish jewelry tutorials, creative ideas, and inspiring handmade designs.